Hello everyone, I am Syed, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. Today we will learn the very new chapter, that is the data handling. Data handling. In data handling, we have to collect the data, then we have to organize the data in such a manner that whenever you need information from that data, you can easily collect it. So in data handling, first topic we have to learn is the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. So the formula for arithmetic mean is the sum of the sum of observations upon total number of observations. Here I am writing the observation short form. So this is the formula for arithmetic mean. Let's see the example. So let's see the example. In this example, here is the numbers of 5 subjects. Suppose that in maths 43, in SST 38, in English 50, in Hindi 44, and in science 40. So we have to find the arithmetic mean of it. So arithmetic mean, first we have to do the sum. So sum is equal to 43 plus 38 plus 50 plus 44 and plus 40. When you add all these numbers, the answer becomes 215. Now what is the number of observations? So number of observations we have taken here. Number of observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have taken 5 number of observation. So what is the arithmetic mean? So here arithmetic mean is equal to 215 upon 5. Divided, you got the answer 43. So this is the answer of this example. Now we have to find the next example, that is the range. In this we have to find the range. So what is the range? The range is equal to higher observation minus lower observation. So in range, higher observation minus lower observation. So let's see the example. So in this example, we have to find the range. So what is the higher observation? Higher observation is 50. And what is the lowest observation? Lowest observation is 38. So range is equal to 50 minus 38, and that is equal to 12. So 12 is the answer. Now move to the example. Here is the example. In this example, the ages in years of 10 teacher of a school are given. So 10 teacher age is given. Okay. Now in first part we have to find the age of oldest teacher and the youngest teacher. So before starting, always write in this question the data in ascending form. So here I have already written the data in ascending form. So the oldest teacher, who is the oldest teacher? So the oldest teacher here is the age who is having 54. This is the oldest teacher. And the youngest teacher is having the age that is 23. So this is the answer of first one. The oldest teacher is equal to 54 and the youngest teacher is equal to 23. Now in second part we have to find the range. So the formula is range is highest observation. So 54 is the highest observation. So 54 minus lowest observation. The lowest observation is 23. So 54 minus 23. This is equal to 31 years. So this is the range. Okay. Now move to the third part. In third part, we have to find the mean. Arithmetic mean is also called as a mean. So mean is equal to sum upon observation, same formula, sum upon number of observation. Okay, so first we have to find the sum. So here, when we add all these numbers, we got the sum as 350. Number of observation, how many teachers age is there? 10 teachers. So number of observation is 10. So here the answer is 0 0 get cut. So the answer is 35 years. Now move to the another example. In this example, we have to first organize the data. Okay, so in this first we have to organize the data, then we have to give the answer of all these parts. So make a column for it. I have already made it. So marks, tally marks, and frequency. In marks, how many marks are there? Their marks are 1 to 9. So write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and at the last 9. Okay, so in this way we have to make the table. Now marks 1, how many times the 1 is repeated? 1 time. So tally marks 1. Okay, how many times the 2 is repeated? 2 is repeated 2 times. One is this and another one is this. So 1 and 2. So in frequency we have to write 1. In this we have to write 2. For 3, how many times the 3 is repeated? See it, 3 is repeated 1 time, then only 1 time. So 3 is repeated only 1 time. So 1, again we got 1. So this way you have to fill the table. So I have to fill the table. So here I have complete the table. So see the table, marks, tally marks, and the frequency. Now move to the first part. Which number is the highest? So which number is the highest? 9 is the highest. So here the answer is 9. Now which number is the lowest? So the lowest number is 1. This is the lowest. So the answer is 1. And what is the range of data? So range is equal to highest my observation minus lowest observation. Highest observation is 9, lowest observation is 1. So the answer is 8. Now move to the fourth part, that is arithmetic mean. So here sum is equal to, when we add all these numbers, the sum becomes equal to 100. So the sum of observation is equal to 100. Now go for the number of observation. So number of observation is equal to, we have to add the frequency. You have to add these frequencies. So the number of observation is equal to 20. So what is the arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is equal to 100 upon 20. That is equal to 5. This is the answer. So here we end our video.